Hey, I'm Liv, and welcome to another haul. Oh my goodness, I did a lot on Black Friday, yes. e.l.f. Let's get to unboxing. Okay, so e.l.f. is something that I buy every Black Friday. Their stuff is really affordable. I wait till I get 50% off, and then it's even more affordable. Prices have certainly crept up, so I did a Shop Mosaic haul, which maybe you watched already. If not, it's out there. But I still had to get some of my old favorites. Their box looks really nice and easy to open. There's a little tab. Okay, look at all these goodies. Look at. Maybe we can talk through them like this, and I'm just gonna show you. I have my e.l.f. liquid liner. I love this stuff. If you are used to putting on your liquid liner with a pen, then this is very different. I'm very used to doing it like this. Do I have any around? I have one right over here. I have them all over. I mean, for $1. It's lovely. If you don't know, it's a little brush like that, and you can just paint it on like that. If you see this over here, that is from my Shop Mosaic haul. I've washed my hands a lot and it hasn't come off. That's their forest green liquid liner. But anyways, this style I love. I love having this stuff around all the time. I did get one from Shop Mosaic to see if it's as good. We will find out. So I got a bunch of those. I also got my BB cream. This one is in Buff. That's the color that I usually use, which is a tad too dark for me. So somewhere in here, I have a lighter shade. Or this is the light shade. I don't know, we'll find out. Holy Hydration. I got 4 or 5 of these. It looks like I got 5. I'm hoping that these will replace my Holika Good Sarah, the ceramide cream that they have, because that's like anywhere from $16 to $19. And this was $6 because it's $12 normally, 40% off plus 15% cash back. So it was less than $6, I think. It has hyaluronic acid and a peptide complex. So hopefully it's good. I'll potentially compare them. Whole bunch of those. What is this nondescript thing that I don't recall? It literally has nothing. Oh, this is the Flawless Finish Foundation. So the packaging is different. Normally it comes in like a black thing with a clear plastic window. Now it's just like a black cardboard thing. This is the perfect match for my skin tone. Absolutely perfect. This actually looks kind of light right now. No, it looks good in the viewfinder. So I just love this stuff. I'm not gonna open this one right away, but I almost always have an open one lying around. It's excellent. I have extremely dry skin. It's a satin finish. On me, it's matte. But I just moisturize a lot anyways, and I put this on, and I'm actually wearing this today. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's a lovely finish. It lasts really well. You certainly do need to moisturize a lot though if you're dry and you wear this. Neutral undertones, get some neutral. So I got a couple of those, which I do. Pick it up once a year, good deal. I decided to try one of their hydrating camo concealer. This is in the shade something. Light sand. I figured I'd go like one shade lighter, myself a little bright under eye. I don't know. That is very light. We'll see how that turns out. I'm excited though, because everyone really likes the camo concealer, but apparently it's really drying, so it's just a big no for me. And then here we have nude. Can't remember what my shade normally is, and I don't have any right up here. But I only got one of each because I think I decided to test out which was the right shade for me. Let's watch them. Should we? No. Ooh. There we go. It doesn't say what the shade is. It literally doesn't say what the shade is on the tube. Why would that be the case? Okay, so normally I get the shade nude, and I just decided to try Buff, which is lighter. I think I'm gonna open Buff just to compare. I don't like to open face products when I have stuff already open, but since this one we're trying to see if it matches better, then we will give that a shot. Another liquid liner, and then there was one thing that I tried that is just sort of fun, and this is the Sheer Blurring Under Eye Primer. I decided to, as much as possible, do a sort of replenishment order. Just get stuff that I know I'm gonna use throughout the year. But this was sort of a fun little test product because my eyes are getting a little wrinkly under my eyes, and I was hoping I could sort of fill them in a bit. This thing was literally out. I just popped it back in and now it's in properly, but I was like, I should probably have shown you. Anyways, it's quite loose in there, like a puck of product. Ooh, and it feels very oily and creamy, which I don't mind. Curious. I'm gonna try it. Don't have a particularly good mirror up here right now, so let's see. Ooh, Ooh, it almost seems like it's just a tinted under eye moisturizer. It says it has hyaluronic acid. I'm in a very dry climate, so I think I would put this on right after my sunscreen, basically, when my skin is still a little damp. Actually, I think we'll zoom you in quickly and see if you can see anything. Can you see? I put it on this eye. And obviously my eyes are differently hooded and all, but I think you can tell my under eye, they both have the same amount of color corrector and a little bit of concealer, but I think it might have sort of settled into my wrinkles in a nice way, like sort of plumping them up. So maybe for my skin tone, this is quite nice. Oh, that's the thing. I don't think they have multiple skin tones of this, so I don't know how this would work on a deep skin tone. Because for my skin tone, that's almost the perfect color corrector, sort of. Like it's a little peachy orangey. I think it could go for a little lighter skin tone and a little deeper, but not particularly deep, right? What do you think? Can you notice a difference? Ooh, let's smile. Nothing's gonna hide those wrinkles. Fun experiment though. It feels quite silky. I wonder if that's a good thing to put on after your concealer, because it actually looks like it's helped get rid of some creasing that I was having. I don't know. That was interesting. Okay, now let's do our BB cream test. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to have a marker. There's a little sticker on it that says buff, but obviously it's fallen off all my other ones. So I have markers and I'm gonna write buff on it, on the front and the back. That's really silly. I mean, I get that they're saving on their product packaging, but I feel like just by default, having the color on it is a necessity, right? It's printed all over the foundation. Why wouldn't it be on the BB cream? Okay, let's zoom in again and test this. All right, obviously I'm wearing the Flawless Finish foundation in sand already. It's been quite a few hours though, so I'm going to put buff on this cheek right there. That's really dark. Why? And on the other cheek, I'm gonna put sand. Nude, not sand. Are they the same? No, that's darker. It was on the lighter side of the scale though. Both of them look too deep for me, right? What did I order wrong? What even? I'm gonna take a photo of either side and then hold them up. I don't know, man. This one looks a little more yellow and that one looks a bit more orange, and neither of them are my skin tone. But for the BB cream, it blends in really well, so it hasn't really bothered me, but I do get a little bit of orange face going on. You know what I mean? Like orange face, white neck kind of thing. So I was hoping that one shade lighter would get rid of that, but they're very similar. And what I thought was gonna be the lighter shade is just a titch darker and more orange. Okay, oh well. Maybe I'll try the next lighter shade. You know what? Since we're all up close, let's pop on this concealer and just have a look. Whoa, the doe foot is huge. Ooh. This one eye is just gonna be coated and stuff. That feels very nice with the slurring thing underneath it though. Slurring cream, whatever. Yeah, this eye feels actually quite dry and this one feels quite good. What do we think? I think it looks quite nice. Still can't hide that. Yeah, it looks nice and hydrated. I like it. Okay, well that was super fun. I know getting 5 of the same face cream is not necessarily the most exciting thing. I am excited though to see if this is as good as Good Sarah, which is a lovely cream. I really like it, but I'd just rather not spend that much every time. Man, some people spend on Drunk Elephant and even First Aid Beauty, and I like too much stuff to spend that much on one thing, I find. I'd rather spend a little bit on a bunch of things that I'd like. My dog just said that it's time to go play with him, so I better do that. He's such a brat. Anyways, if you liked this video, if you enjoyed yourself, found it fun, informative, or anything like that, I do hope you hit subscribe down below. Let me know what you thought. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you have to. If you also had a Black Friday haul or Cyber Monday or any of those, I would love to hear about the stuff that you snagged. If you have any favorites at e.l.f., please do feel free to leave them down below so you can share your knowledge with others as well. Wherever you are, I hope you're having the best day that you possibly can. Be kind to the people around you. And thanks for hanging out. I'm coming!